Hey everybody, and welcome back to Grandma's Corner 2020. So today we are going to learn how to make the perfect paragraph. So writing is really super important, and a lot of students struggle with writing because they don't know where to start. And writing a paragraph or a 5-paragraph essay is kind of like having a formula. If you know the formula, then you can write and be a creative writer. So how exciting is that? So the first thing I want to show you is the Hamburger Method. This is actually the formula that I used when I taught 2nd grade, and even 1st graders can use this, but it's the basic formula for any paragraph. The Hamburger Method. Everybody knows what a hamburger is, and that's why we use this cute little representation. So a paragraph is very much like a hamburger. The top bun is going to be your topic sentence. The topic sentence is what your paragraph is about. The ingredients in here, that would be the meat and the lettuce and the pickles and the condiments. Those are going to be all of your detailed sentences. These sentences support what your topic is about. And then the bottom part of the hamburger is called the closing sentence. And what that does is it kind of wraps up what your whole paragraph is about. So if you can remember this Hamburger Method, you're not going to have any problems at all creating a paragraph. So let's go ahead and let's create one. This paragraph that we're going to do today is going to be a paragraph that maybe a 1st grade or 2nd grader might create. So let's call this Pets. That's going to be the title of our paragraph. But even though a paragraph is just one part of a story, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give this a title just because I want you to know that this is what we're going to be talking about. Okay, so our opening topic sentence is going to be, my favorite pet is a dog. My favorite I think my pen is dying. Let me try another one. Oh, much better. All right. My favorite pet is a dog. Now we're going to support that with the details or the inside of our hamburger. So what are 3 things that we can say about our dog? Well, how about I like dogs because they can sleep with you at night on your bed. All right? I like dogs because they can sleep with you at night. All right? That's one detail about why you feel a dog is your favorite pet. All right, how about another detail? A dog is a great friend to have when you go on a walk in the neighborhood. I would agree with that. A dog, whoops-a-daisy, is a great friend when you go on a walk in the neighborhood. Boy, this is developing very nicely. We know what our paragraph is about. We have our opening sentence, my favorite pet is a dog, and now I'm giving you 3 reasons why I think a dog is my favorite pet. I've given you 2, now I'm going to give you a 3rd one. Dogs can be trained to fetch a ball or frisbee or get the newspaper for you. All right. Dogs can be trained to fetch a ball or Frisbee, or get the newspaper for you. All right, so let's talk about those pieces again. We have what our paragraph is about, our opening sentence, or our topic sentence is, my favorite pet is a dog. And all of these sentences after that support this, why it's your favorite pet. Number 1, I like dogs because they can sleep with you at night. Number 2, a dog is a great friend when you go on a walk in the neighborhood. Number 3, dogs can be trained to fetch a ball or Frisbee or get the newspaper for you. Now we need a closing sentence. And our closing sentence has to be very similar to our opening sentence. It's almost like a reflection, but you don't want to say the same words because that would sound like you're repeating yourself. So you want to have the idea the same, but you want to put it in different order or maybe using different words. So instead of my favorite pet is a dog, how about having a dog in the family is special and fun? Does that kind of say the same thing? So let's write that down. Having a dog in the family is special and fun. Now, I'm going to circle that one in red as well because that is reflective of the opening sentence or topic sentence. So let's go back to our hamburger method. The topic sentence and the closing or topic sentence and closing sentence, these two are the buns of the hamburger. And then everything in between are all of the details. Do you think that these 3 sentences talked about what you had as a topic sentence? Yeah, sure enough. You now created a perfect paragraph. And it is so easy to do once you understand this formula. So hey, thanks for joining me. Thanks for subscribing. And catch me again because we're going to talk about more paragraphs for maybe older kids. So you have a good day. Ta-ta for now. Bye-bye.